Tired of juggling multiple platforms and struggling to keep your LinkedIn profile active? This video will show you how to use Zapier to automate your LinkedIn posts, saving you time and boosting your online presence. First, head over to Zapier and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. This will start the process of building your automated workflow. Now, you'll need to choose a trigger app. This is the app that will initiate the LinkedIn post. For example, you could use a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets in the search bar and select it. Next, select your trigger event. In this case, we'll choose New Spreadsheet Row so that a new row in your Google Sheet will trigger the automated post. Then connect your Google Sheets account. You'll then need to choose which Google Sheet and worksheet you want the information to come from. After that's complete, you can test the trigger to make sure that information can be pulled from your Google Sheet. Now it's time to choose your action app. Search for LinkedIn in the search bar and select it. Choose Create Post as the action. Then connect your LinkedIn account to Zapier. This will allow Zapier to post on your behalf. Now, you'll map the data from your trigger app like the columns in your Google Sheet to the LinkedIn post fields. For example, you can use a column labeled Post Text to populate the content of your LinkedIn post. You can also customize the visibility of the post. After you map all your fields, test the action to ensure everything is working correctly. Zapier will create a test post on your LinkedIn profile. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet, a LinkedIn post will automatically be created. Congratulations, you've just automated your LinkedIn posting with Zapier. Now you can maintain an active presence without the manual effort. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.